In this video, I'll guide you through how to enable Grok 4 in Cursor.AI, whether you're just getting started with Cursor or you've been using it for a while and want to try out a different model. This walkthrough will help you turn on Grok 4 quickly and confidently. Let's start right from the beginning, inside Cursor itself. First, make sure you have Cursor open on your computer. You can open it the same way you normally do, either from your applications menu, a desktop shortcut, or a dock or taskbar icon, depending on your operating system. Give it a moment to fully load so that the interface is ready and responsive before you move on. Once Cursor is open, you'll need to head into the settings area. Look toward the edges of the window for the settings option. In many versions, this is represented by a small gear icon, often found in a sidebar, a top menu, or sometimes under a general menu button. Click on settings to open the configuration panel. This is where you can control how Cursor behaves, including which AI models it uses. After the settings panel is open, you'll see different sections or tabs that group related options together. Here, you want to locate the section that controls which models are available. Look for the Models tab along the top or side of the settings window. The exact placement can vary slightly depending on updates, but it will be clearly labeled as Models. Go ahead and click on that tab to open it. Inside the Models tab, Cursor will show you a list of models that you can enable or disable. This list might include several different AI models, each with its own toggle or switch. Take a moment to scan through the list carefully. You're looking for the entry labeled Grok 4. The names might be grouped or sorted, so scroll if you don't see it right away. When you find Grok 4 in the list, you'll see a toggle or switch next to it. If Grok 4 is currently turned off, the toggle will usually appear grey or in an inactive position. To enable Grok 4, simply click on that toggle. Once you do, it should change color or move to indicate that it's now active. That's the key action that turns Grok 4 on inside Cursor. After toggling it on, it's a good idea to wait a second and make sure the change is applied. In most cases, Cursor saves this setting automatically, so you don't have to click a separate save button. If there is a visible confirmation, or if the toggle clearly stays in the on position, you can be confident that Grok 4 has been enabled. From this point forward, Grok 4 will be available for use in Cursor. Depending on how Cursor is set up, it may become your default model right away, or you might be able to select it when starting a new chat session or project. If you don't immediately see it in use, check any model selection menus inside the main interface to confirm that Grok 4 is selected. And that's all there is to it. You opened Cursor, went into Settings, navigated to the Models tab, found Grok 4 in the list, and toggled it on. By following these simple steps, you've enabled Grok 4 in Cursor.AI and can now start exploring what it can do for your coding or writing workflow.